This is the AWEI T71 earbuds. I want to connect it to my phone. But the AWEI T71 earbuds device is not showing up on my phone. If you have the same problem as me, then let's see how to solve this problem. First, make sure your earbuds are connected to another device. If your earbuds are connected to another phone, remove them from there. Now turn Bluetooth off and on again. If the earbuds device is still not visible, proceed to step 2. Put both earbuds into the charging case. Close the case lid for 5 to 10 seconds. Open the case again. Now the AWEI T71 earbuds device is appearing on the phone. Connect it now. This is how you can connect AWEI T71 earbuds to phone.